Hi, in this video, we will see how we can resolve this unmarshalling config file issue, which will happen when you have your Docker files are getting corrupted. So I'm trying to check the list of containers that needs to be up and running. So I'm trying with my Docker PS and I'm seeing this unable to unmarshal config file. So which is due to the config.json that is present inside my Docker. What I'm going to do is I am going to look for the content of it. So the content of it looks like it is corrupted. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to delete the config file and let's try to run. Okay, so now that I have resolved the unmarshalling config file issue, the next issue that I'm trying to get is error during connect. This error may indicate the Docker daemon is not running. So the second error is happening because the Docker is not up and running. So for that, what we'll do is we'll start our Docker engine. So my Docker engine has been started. My Docker engine is up. Let's see if we can list the containers. So at the moment, there is no container up and running. What I'm going to do is I'm going to invoke my Docker Compose file, which is Docker Compose up -d. So this is going to invoke my Selenium hub, and I have another image for Firefox and an image for Chrome. Now when I'll try to run the Docker PS, I'll see my containers are up and I can run my tests. So this is a very simple fix that will be done easily if you'll have your config file getting corrupted when you're trying to remove your config file, and when you try to log in again using your Docker, the config file is going to be generated again. Plus, I also have a backup of a config file just in case if it wouldn't get generated. Let me show. So I have a copy of the file. Like when your Docker is getting shut down properly, this will be the content of it for your desktop version. But if you don't have a desktop version, or if you have a Linux, I'm not sure if you'll be able to access the file directly. But for your desktop version, this is a simple fix. Remove your config file and try to log in or try to start the engine again so that you don't see the unmarshalling error like this. So that's it for this video. Thank you.